Okay, my name's Mike Jones. I'm the Professor of Botany in Trinity College in Dublin. Why did I get into plant biology? I got into it because when I was at school I was interested in biology. I wasn't at that stage thinking of going to university, but I got the opportunity to do that. I went to Lancaster because it was a new university. And I was interested in the course that they had then, which was a biology course, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I wanted to do biology, but I didn't know what part of biology to specialise in. This was a place where I could go and actually make up my mind. At the end of my degree programme, I met my supervisor for a PhD. He persuaded me to do a PhD, and from that point on, I was a physiologist, a plant physiologist, working in that. I really had no initial ambitions to be an academic, but I was given opportunities along the line to develop my interests.
Hello, I'm Patricia from France. I had this one course that was amazing about photosynthesis, and this opened for me a new world of science biology, and that's why now I'm working on plants. I never expected that it was so interesting and an amazing world.
I'm Steve Long. I'm a professor at the University of Illinois in the United States. Originally, when I was 15, my intention was to become an aircraft engineer. I wanted to go into aeronautical engineering, but I had an excellent biology teacher who really inspired me to think about plants. So I was really fascinated by how living systems worked, like how they were engineered. They have this unique process of converting light into energy and chemicals, and so that really fascinated me, and I've been studying that for the rest of my life.
I'm from New Zealand, and I've been surrounded by plants since I was a little child. My father studied them, and when I was 13 I decided I wanted to do a degree in botany, so that's what I did.
I'm Roy Newman, the Sales and Marketing Manager for ADC Bioscientific. I always had an interest in plant science, and I actually started life out as a lab technician at Cambridge University. I studied part-time, ended up with a degree, did postgraduate research at Cambridge University in plant microbe interactions, and but decided I wasn't going to stay in the academia side of things. Via a career in medical diagnostics, I came back to plant science with ADC Bioscientific, sort of looking after the product range of the plant science equipment, and I'm now the sales and marketing manager for the company.
My name is Josh Klein. I'm from Israel. I've been there for almost 30 years, but as you can perhaps tell by my accent, I was born and raised in the United States. I was always interested in plants as a kid. I liked edible wild plants. I liked the idea that you could feed yourself with plants. Ultimately, as a believing Jew, I moved to Israel, and there I'm able to combine both the scientific investigation of plants — I'm a scientist at the Ministry of Agriculture there — along with my religious faith, which mandates observing laws in the Bible, in the Torah, associated with agriculture. My job is a scientist who develops modern agricultural methods for observing the ancient, and yet still modern, laws of agriculture in the Bible.